Good morning, everyone. And today I'm here with all of you to discuss about your yesterday पेपर कैसा था आपका पेपर कैसा एग्जाम हुआ और हम लोग दिल्ली मुंबई बैंगलोर पुणे सारे
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
सारे सिटीज में हम थे एग्जाम सेंटर पे और हमने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो है वो डिस्कशन किया एंड देन कैसा हुआ उनका एग्जाम कैसा था पेपर डिफिकल्टीज कैसी थी तो उसके सम ऑफ interaction also we have uploaded on the Ignite India YouTube that also you must have seen and some more we are going to upload. Some of you have collected the goodies also. So why I am here today is to discuss and show you some solved paper of creative ability test. Just be with me till the end and you will know the cutoff, you will know the what all you have done in exam, whether it is correct or not. Also, I will give you some tips for situation test and information about the free classes. So let me share my screen. First, I'll take you to uh, the I'll take you to the my answer key. Just a moment. So yes, so I hope all set. You are all are able to hear me. If you can answer me or let me check this and then quickly I will start with the solved question paper. Uh, just 1 second. Let me see on the. I hope all set. You are. Yes, so now I can read your uh, question as well. So you, if anybody have any kind of question, that also you can ask. तो आप क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हो कोई अगर डाउट हो आपको इस पूरे सेशन में हम लोग जो भी क्वेश्चंस थे आपके कल के उनके बारे में बात करेंगे कटअप क्या हो सकता है निफ्ट सेंटर की रैंकिंग क्या है प्लेसमेंट क्या है कुछ भी आप पूछ सकते हो वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन आस्क मी ऑल राइट and who I am. So I would like to introduce myself. So I'm Govind Kumar Singh. I'm NIFT alumni, NIFT graduated from NIFT Bangalore, and I have 14 years of experience. I was teaching earlier. I was with NIFT. I was assistant professor in NIFT. I was in Bhubaneswar, NIFT Shillong, and all and visiting faculties in NIFT Kolkata and Kangra and other NIFT centers. I have attended multiple juries. I was involved in different certificate program, curriculum development, evening program, and I was course coordinator of fashion design department, foundation program, and other departments. So multiple Hindi officer was I was also there, and I was also part of your creative ability test question making team and few exam also I have organized in Shillong and some government initiative when initially NIFT was started in Shillong. Then I was teaching, training people to crack NIFT entrance exam, how they can crack by sponsored by state government. So these all are my the introduction. So let's discuss about the interesting question paper which was there in the NIFT, right? And I have thoroughly enjoyed. Students have also enjoyed. So your one interesting part that we have taken, and I will answer. I'll show you how you can answer. Also, how how what was the answer actually, and how we can let's since exam is over now, so this is time to just enjoy and take the creative flavor. We have received multiple student queries on WhatsApp, Instagram. So they have sent their rough scribbling, sketching, then they're asking answers. So we will answer you one by one. But before that, I thought, why don't we create something and explain what, what type of, and these are the ways you can answer. These are just example. This is the reference picture for you, which is generated by us, and we will explain you what is this, what is the concept. So this was very, very interesting. One of the cat question: imagine and illustrate any one of the following which is artificially developed in the future: insect, bird, fruit. So see, we have also similar kind of question we have asked you. Okay, futuristic bus stop, which we have posted on the Instagram as well. And we ask you, so future and AI was artificial intelligence, or so that is in the talk, right? It's impacting design. And this was very, very obvious, and this was very smart question which NIFT has asked, and this is the very, very important, most important question. And how, what should be right approach to answer this question? You will see here. So I will show you the concept note also, which you can write it for uh, this question, right? So if you see insects, so I have taken first, I have taken the insects. So this is very, very the AI developed, and now you have to be very, very your imagination should be very, very good. So this insect can, you can you can say, can be used for maybe the concept note, other models are also there, or other sketches are also there. तो हम लोग पूरा इसमें डिटेल बात करेंगे क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज क्या हो सकती है। अब एक जो कॉन्सेप्ट नोट मैंने लिखा है वो भी आपको पढ़ के बताऊंगा। यहाँ पे ये इंसेक्ट अगर है तो इससे कई तरह की चीजें, जैसे इसमें जो सेंसर लगे हैं उससे, या इसका जो इसकी जो फंक्शनैलिटी है उसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ये जो है, ये कई कई तरह के इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो दे सकता है, जिससे कि जो लाइफ जो है आम लोगों का, डिजाइनर क्या करते हैं, वो दूसरों के लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं, वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर हैं, चीजों को आसान बनाते हैं। तो ये जो आपका इंसेक्ट है जो कि आर्टिफिशियली डेवलप होगा, डेवलप किया जाएगा, वो क्या कर सकता है, जो सीजन है, वेदर है, वेदर कंडीशन है, उसके बारे में ये बता सकता है। और इसके साथ साथ कई ऐसी चीजें, एक जो इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है वो, सो दीज आर सम द references which definitely you can consider if you have done it. And most important thing is concept that is very, very important, and that definitely I want to discuss with you. So the name, now the whatever I have created, I have, you can also, anybody can name it, maybe Maso B or Santo B, or some intro or insect or something, you name it. Maybe it could be Mickey or whatever you think. And it should be very, very technonym, Aristro or something. You can you can name it. Just name your character, because naming character is very, very important. If you are able to name it, then it is the it's a good. And now we will talk about now, since how you can use it, right? How you can use it. So the pollination is the very, very important, and for any these, because of different uh, environmental challenges, and the other the climate changes is impacting lot, and cultivation is overall cultivation productivity, that is impacting. So now जो आप ये जानते हो कि कैसे फ्रूट बनता है, राइट? फ्रूट जो मेल और फीमेल है, राइट, उसमें जो ये आपकी जैसे मधुमक्खी है, दूसरे जो इंसेक्ट हैं, उनका रोल जो है सो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, मेल मेल और फीमेल के उसको जब उसका दोनों जो फ्रूट्स हैं उनको जब वो मिलाते हैं तब जो फ्रूट जो आपका बनता है, तो वहां से जो मेल का या फीमेल का, वहां दोनों जो ये इंसेक्ट हैं, एक मेल फ्रूट से फीमेल फ्रूट पे बैठते हैं, उनके पैर में, पैर के साथ साथ जो लग के वहां पहुंचते हैं, उससे फिर फ्रूट का जो है ना फॉर्मेशन होता है। तो अभी इंसेक्ट जो है, ये जो प्रोसेस है पूरा का पूरा, क्लाइमेट चेंज से, दूसरी चीजों से, ये बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्टेड हो गए हैं, और लाइक फ्रूट बनने का रेशियो जो है वो कम हो गए हैं। सो कैन वी डेवलप अ बी विच कैन इंक्रीज लाइक द एंड अगर अगर सोच लो, अब ये एथिकल अनएथिकल है थोड़ा सा, इसका जो है ना डिस्कशन की जरूरत है, बट the kind of like situation is maybe this could be one like the revolution। अब सोचो कि अभी हार्डली वो आपको जो टोटल जो फ्लावर आते हैं और उसका जो रेशियो है फ्रूट फ्रूट बनने का, है ना, फाइनल, वो काफी कम होता है। लेकिन अगर आप ऐसा कुछ डेवलप कर पाते हो आर्टिफिशियली फ्यूचर में, देन इट विल बी लाइक द मैजिक, राइट। सो एम्स टू सस्टेनेबल पॉलिनेशन, improve crops yield and ecosystem health। Okay, so this is the concept, and we are going to leave this whole like the we have solved this also, this we are going to put this in Ignite India app. From there you can download it and you can see what all we have done it. Similarly, fruit also, like you see these are the futuristic fruits which you can consider it for the your like the answer। and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि इसमें जो एआई का टच है ना, दैट एआई टच इन स्केच। सो एज अ आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो, एज अ डिजाइनर ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू थिंक, यू हैव टू डिजाइन प्रॉपर इन प्रॉपर वे, एंड ऑल्सो यू शुड हैव सम काइंड ऑफ very progressive thinking, where you can think about like the how you can impact market, how you can help humanity, how you can, being a designer you have to always like you have to see this। And let's move to the now the bird, now this bird is there। So इसके बाद एक ये था क्वेश्चन जिसमें कि आपको इमेजिन एंड इलस्ट्रेट एनी फोर क्रिएटिव वेज ऑफ यूजिंग एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, राइट। सो ये आपका जो है ना, ये एक आंसर हो सकता है आपका, इसके बेस पे आप सोच सकते हो। दूसरा था कि इमेजिन एंड इलस्ट्रेट एनी फोर क्रिएटिव वेज ऑफ यूजिंग एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉन रिपेयरेबल वॉल क्लॉक। सो इस तरह से आप उसको दिखा सकते हैं। And then imagine, illustrate any four creative way of using any one of the following four discs। So these are the way which you can like in the park, the entertainment zone, a play school, a public park। So ये जो है ये PDF we will leave you, you just see where you are, how much like you need to improve, what all you have done। So these are just reference point where you all can like you from here you can see yourself what all you have done in exam, right। So this will be reference point। यहाँ से आप जो है एक 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 रेफरेंस पॉइंट है, ये आप ले सकते हो। एग्जैक्टली आप देख सकते हो कि आपने क्या किया है प्रिपेयर में और कैसे एक्चुअली इसको करना था। सो देन यू कैन सी, एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स आर आल्सो देयर फॉर ईच लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट नोट इज ऑलरेडी देयर हियर यू सी। सो हार्वेस्टिंग का है, ये जो फ्रूट वाले थे उसका भी है आपका। उसके बाद आपका अब मान लो कि एक वो था आपका बर्ड का था, तो बर्ड क्या कर सकता है, बर्ड आपका ड्रोन हो सकता है, राइट, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में, या आगे फ्यूचर में ऐसे जैसे कार, मान लो कि उड़ने वाली कार ऐसे बन जाए, या कुछ दूसरा ऐसा हो सकता है। तो वो सारी चीजें जो है आप देख सकते हो कि, और जैसे लेटरिंग का था, तो लेटरिंग आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि कैसे जो है ना लेटरिंग को यूज करते हुए डिफरेंट पार्क में या पब्लिक प्लेस में कैसे आप इसको किया हुआ है, किस तरह से ये बना हुआ, तो ये सारी आप देख सकते हो। फोटो फ्रेमिंग का क्रिएटिव यूज कैसे आप करते, जो डिस्क वाला क्वेश्चन था, 4 डिस्क, तो आप उसको फोटो फ्रेम बना सकते हैं या कोई दूसरी चीजें। तो इस तरह से आप सोच आपने क्या किया है एग्जाम में एग्जैक्टली, दैट ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन सेंड अस इन 914 888 2412, वी विल try to answer you uh, and tell you, like, the based on other, like, student, where you, like, stand. This is the Instagram ID. Also, we will be starting situation test batch. Okay, so from 12th Feb. So you can join. Here is the link, and I will leave this in the video description also. So वहां भी आप देख सकते हो। और जो पार्क है, आप अगर देखोगे, ये पार्क है, राइट? तो इस पार्क में जो नंबर्स है उसको कैसे यूज हुआ है, किस तरह से बन रहा है, या यहाँ पे कैसे कहाँ यूज हुआ है, आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा नंबर्स। और इसको अलग अलग तरीके से आप बना सकते हो। फिर ये जो वॉच वाला क्वेश्चन था आपका, इमेजिन एंड इलस्ट्रेट एनी 4 क्रिएटिव वेज ऑफ यूजिंग एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। सो ये सारे जो आंसर, ये जो पीडीएफ है, वी आर गोइंग टू keep in the our own ऐप इन फ्री स्टडी सेक्शन। वहां से आप देख सकते हो। अब जैसे ये बर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन है, अब सोचो इसका अलग अलग तरीके से यूज हो सकता है। जैसे बर्ड का क्वेश्चन था, इसमें ये ड्रोन हो सकता है, जो कि आपने एक मूवी में भी देखा होगा अभी। सो द सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, दिस वाज यूज्ड बाय इंडियन आर्मी टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन, एग्जैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, लोकेशन ऑफ, लाइक, ऑफ टेररिस्ट कैंप इन पाकिस्तान, राइट? तो ये था ड्रोन का। आपको पता ही है ड्रोन अभी कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। एवरीबडी इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन ड्रोन, सो इंडस्ट्री इज मोर, लाइक, द सो ये सारी चीजें। या फिर आप बर्ड बर्ड से कैसे क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है उसको पता कर सकते हो, दूसरी चीजें आप पता कर सकते हो। तो ये सारी चीजें आप इसको देख सकते हो, ठीक है? ये पीडीएफ जो है वी आर गोइंग टू कीप हियर। एंड गैट पार्ट जो है, गैट का, दैट ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू नाउ there, and the PDF you can download it, you can check these notes maybe. For this year student, this is also important. If somebody who is preparing for 2025, you want to learn how to answer this, then also this will be helpful. You can download the PDF and the concept note about this, and you can build your own story actually, and you can also relate what you have made, right? How much mark based on that you will get. So these are the some, like, the uh, example reference, like, pictures. These are the creative expressions. So तीन जो क्वेश्चन थे आप देखोगे, एक जो है वो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन बेस्ड था। आपका जो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन है वो है इसमें। इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो ये जो आपका ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये टेक्नोलॉजी और फ्यूचर जो है ना, फ्यूचर जो है टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि हमने भी आपको एक बस स्टॉप बनाने के लिए बोला था, आपने बनाया भी है, कई लोगों ने कई डाला है। तो एक फ्यूचर फ्यूचर प्लस टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट वाज वन क्वेश्चन। सो एआई, यूजेज ऑफ एआई, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। और जो आपका यहाँ पे जो फ्रूट्स है, यहाँ पे इसका आप अगर ये फ्रूट का अगर कॉन्सेप्ट ये पढ़ोगे, ओके, सो बायो स्पेक्ट्रम हार्वेस्ट, इनोवेटिंग फ्रूट्स। तो अब इसमें देखोगे बायो स्पेक्ट्रम हार्वेस्ट, ये फ्यूचर वेयर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड आर्ट, ओके, converge to create artificially developed fruits through genetic modification। तो अब ये यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जेनेटिक, यहाँ देखो इस सारे क्वेश्चन में वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर। And if you see why we call designer is not artist, then you will know this is more futuristic, where we are talking about technology, we are talking about how we are here problem solver। हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। तो तीनों क्वेश्चन इसमें, बर्ड हो, फ्रूट हो या इंसेक्ट हो, तीनों के आंसर अगर आप देखोगे, टेक्नोलॉजी, डिजाइन, आर्ट, इट्स लाइक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन, is combining all these things. So fruit, what all we are talking here, okay, and what all we can customize, color, flavor and nutrition, ये तीनों को हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम जो है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और जो इसका जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन है उससे हम क्या करेंगे, स्मार्ट कल्टीवेशन करेंगे. सो मेकिंग गुड योर sketch is important, but at the same time writing this kind of concept note will boost your marks, and examiner will give you 100 total. If it is 20 marks, 20 out of 20 you will get. So what we are talking about, we are talking about हार्वेस्टिंग, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड फ्रूट्स क्या है आपके, कैसे हो सकते हैं. अब ये सारा, ये तो कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया, बट कॉन्सेप्ट टू, इज इट रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन योर स्केच? यस, this is very very technical field. These all, like, reference picture hai, based on that anyone can create, or similar to, now you think about, so creating normal fruit, this question is not about creating normal fruits, not at all. Okay, so this was about creating technology and combining, like, technology and art. Now, this was the other question, artificially developed bird. Now, bird, what bird can do? Bird can be drone, bird can be, like, the maybe, like, the because of climate changes, because of many other things, tomorrow when, like, there will be maybe less bird. So what kind of challenges will be there? Think about the problem, what problem may occur in future, and try to solve that. Then your answer is correct. If you have done that, then your answer is correct. But if you have not done, then also nothing to worry. If you have made sketches, you will get the marks, right? You will get the marks. And it may be less, but you will get little less, but you will get this. These are the directions, just to think about it. And I don't think everybody will have this kind of thought process and answer. So, but this is the right, like, answer. So three out of CAT, three question. One was technology and design, second was imagination based, and third, if you see, the park and other things, those are, like, this is your creativity base, color theory. Okay, and your, like, the your, like, color theory, and the other, like, the principles of design, whatever you have learned here you can apply. And this was more like, space design, right? Space design, and overall, like, the your perspective. So in this question, basically, the what we discussed, like, the in before the exam, one will be, like, perspective based, one will be technology futuristic based. So these all questions are actually based on the discussion which we already have in the classroom, and ask in a very cleverly, ask in a different manner. So some, like, the just the way it is asked, it's a it's like, it's looking it fresh, but it is actually based on the previous questions also. Only what newness I can see, that is the this which we already we said that you just check. Okay, so this is the newness, right? This is the newness where we have also asked you to and we our student have done the futuristic, like, exercise, making sketches. So this is the future and AI related, technology related. So technology, since now lot of, like, technology and design is merging, right? So design need now new technology, designers need to adopt the AI, and that is how the question, this question was. And this is very smart, very, I hope we have enjoyed. And I just want to show you the where, like, the we have asked this question. So see the here, if you see in the, this is the Instagram post, right? And Ignite India, and when we have posted this, that date is also there. So we already futuristic bus stop we have asked. Time travel 2050. Imagine a bus stop, NIFT CAT 2024. Illustrate a pencil hand sketch of a bus stop. Want more such tips? Follow Ignite India Education WhatsApp. So these all, your task is to create detailed pencil hand sketch. So futuristic thing, and question, if you see the other part which is here, see. So this we have posted on 30th December 2023, and the same was practiced by student. Capture of essence of bus stop, skillfully draw bus stop with attention of, so the whole detail maybe you can take. See, futuristic element, introduce futuristic element to portray the advancement expected in the year 2050. Consider uh, architectural design, technological enhancement, and sustainable features. So these all we have discussed already. We have discussed in last session also, when I had with you guys. I have discussed already with all of you. So this was very much aligned to what we have discussed. Now I just want to take you to your this NIFT CAT, the GAT is 30%, CAT is 50%, both are over. Now situation test, and if you have prepared and if till now, then you will crack, and you will be you will be here in this stage. So situation test is very, very important, scoring your rank. Based on all the discussion, you may know, the where you stand, right? And also this is the WhatsApp number where you, if you want, you can share your sketch if you want to take help from us, and if you want how much marks you can get. GAT also I'm going to discuss with you in GAT paper, some questions also in Ignite India app also we will be posting it, so you will know that how much score you can get in the GAT. Based on that, you can start preparing for GDPI or your situation test, and that class is already announced by Ignite India, right? So all details are here, numbers are there here, timing 7 p.m. onwards. So why join? Expert guidance, hand-on practices, personalized feedback, right? And free demo class link I will leave in the WhatsApp, this video, YouTube video description. Enrollment process, visit to register or call on 8884544480 or message here, okay? Or you can message here also, 9148882412. You can join some demo class, free demo sessions, right? And enrollment form also will be there that you can fill, and you can start your situation test, GDPI, and other any anything if you want to work on your portfolio, which is not required for NIFT exam, but for any other exam, any assistant if you need, you can take. So this was the CAT part. GAT part I will also, I would like to show you. All right. I would like to show you the GAT part also. So all three questions, I hope it is clear. One was technology and design. Second was your prospective base. Okay, smartly they have changed this question was prospective base. Your the select any three number from 0 to 9. Imagine and illustrate them in any of the following and mention the number chosen at the above corner of the answer sheet. Entertainment zone, play, school, a public park. So this was imagination plus the technique base. Imagination, you have to imagine, and then technically you have to be sound, you have to apply all perspective and other things, so that your technically your drawing should be very should good, it should look good, proportionate, you have to follow negative space, right? So these all things. So this was the question. All right, this was the question. Now I will quickly show you the GAT question. So this was one the profit and loss based question. Okay, percentage based question, and the answer is here. These all PDF also I'm going to leave in the Ignite India app. PDF will be there. You can download it from that also. I'll show you from where you can download. So percentage is 25%, and rest all we from Ignite India team, GAT paper related, all the answers. We are going to again organize one live session. We will be explaining you all this in detail. Meanwhile, all the state relay and the matching the state, state and their capital. So these are here. So these answer key we are going to upload, which you can check. Bharatnatyam is from which state? So originating from Tamil Nadu, right? State capital, matching with the state capital, and the other question, the who is present governor of RBI? So these all questions answer we have prepared already here. And these are memory based again. These are like memory based. Some other question if you want to, you can send us. We will be adding it, and that will this document will become more rich. And the team is already working it. We have already we are going to post in like the in the Ignite India app. Here it is in free study section. We will be posting it so you can download it. All right, you can uh, free study material from here, document from here, you can download it. This will be here, all the your CAT and situation test question bank is also here. So if anybody want to download previous year, want to check out what all situation test question was there, so that you can check here, like the situation test question, see situation test question bank, all like the 10-year situation test question bank is here in this. You can download past previous 10-year question paper easily. You can download it from the Ignite India, this Ignite India app, 3 study section. This we have kept it. You can start your preparation, right? And there are other like document as well. These all mock test I think you have prepared. So CAT paper guess question you have seen, these were there. So and here in this only we are going to put the CAT, like CAT paper guess questions. So CAT here we will be making it new folder, and in this folder I'm going to put CAT and GAT solved paper, memory base. Okay, so this folder will be here, CAT and GAT solved paper. In this we are going to upload. You can download it from here. And so as promised, we have explained you all the things, all the like we have decoded, we have decoded the your CAT yesterday's exam. We have decoded this technology. So this overall, this was the your paper where this was divided in 3 sections. We also like we in the previous session I told you this will be divided in 3 parts, and this was divided. One was technology and design based, one part. Other part was your uh, space design, right? Space design base there, you and your observation base, right? There you have to combine your like the observation and technical part which you have learned, all the like lighting, 3D, and the perspective. So that was the other part. And this was and the third was your creative ability, your like the how you can like the how you can be creative, where you can how you can combine your color theory and other skill and create good presentation. So this was the your CAT paper. I hope you all have enjoyed, and this was very good paper. We had a very good. We will be keep posting all other like videos. You can subscribe this channel, and we'll see you in next video. All the best. If you like the video, press the bell icon button. If you have any comment, if you want to ask anything related to cutoff or anything, that also you can ask us. We will be answering you. We will be happy to help. We are the and you can message us on 914-888-2412. Anything if you have any doubt, if you want to show your sketch, and if you want to know your marks, how much you will score. So based on our experience, we are going to tell you some tentative, okay, this much you will get. And if you want to interact with me, then also in 914-888-2412, you just message, leave like message there. We will answer you. We will evaluate you. and the link will and all the details will be there in the video description for situation test which we are going to start. That also